Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about the Facebook developer section. Uh, the first reason you may well ask for why I'm making this video. We all know about the Facebook developer section, but this is something I think that we uh, often forget to check out. So okay, let's do it. The first thing what I want to uh, show you is that uh, how should we use Facebook. Okay, Facebook developer forum. So in some cases I have found that the Facebook developer uh, is not letting me to create any more project. It showing me a captcha, and if I uh, try to fill the captcha, it is showing me a error. So this is what I'm getting right now. You may will see that if you are living a subcontinental area like me, then what should you do? This would be better for any project that uh, you may well want to create a Facebook ID for that purpose. Okay, so in that case I have just created an Facebook page. This is the Rocky Brighter, and I'm using the private Opera private by using the VPN also, because in my area the captcha I can't is not showing. It actually showing me error like the reCAPTCHA thing is not found, or it's not working, something like that. So that's why I had to turn on the VPN. In your case you might need to do so. So after turning on the VPN, just create a Facebook ID and make sure you give a appropriate profile picture with a appropriate name. Then add 5 friend and add a mobile number also, so that your account get verified. And after that, use that ID to create the Facebook apps. That means the Facebook developer apps. So in my case I have just logged in. You can see right in here I have just logged in, and I have created a app, that is Firetest MPI. So after doing that, you can see right now I have added 2 products, the Facebook login and the Facebook analytic. But you will get confused when you are creating or setting the Facebook login or Facebook analytic. There will be no green sign. So the reason is that the green sign will only appear when you used that API from your mobile devices, a real device. Otherwise this thing won't show the right tick. So I was really confused on my first time that I had to it almost take 2 days for me to understand that this sign will not appear until I use this API or this app or whatever you say, this project from a real device. This will not work, this will not appear. So this is what I want to show you. And the second thing is, you might would be confused that you won't be able to sign in with Facebook by using this package or this app if you are not getting signed in with this account I'm using here. That means in Facebook, unlike the Firebase or the Google, on that section it doesn't matter who is the user. If you create the package, anyone can use that. Any of your app, any of your user can just log in. It was something like that. But in this case, until your API or your package or your app is not public, you have to maintain these rules. So from here you will find that only a single user, that means the administrator, so you can only sign in with the administrator account. Without that, no other account can access this package or app or API, whatever you say. So how can you add more user? So in that case, I have added my original account that I'm using with my device. There is my main account or my regular account. So I have added that as a developer, and for adding them you must be friend with the administrator. Okay, that seems promising. And then you can also use tester also can log in, it's also possible. So this is what I wanted to show you. And there is another thing I have found is pretty disgusting, is that if you try to use this package or this app into a different machine, or if you try to develop any app by using this package into a different machine, you must need to change the key hashes. Yes, that's right, but it won't work. This is a very big bug. So what you have to do, if you changing the meshing on your developing time, you need to create another package, or this will not work. And instead of that, you can also change the package name and the class name, then you can change the key hashes. If you only change the key hashes, it won't work. So this is all about the Facebook admin SDK. So I hope you liked it. If you don't, please let me know. To see you then.